I am pleased to celebrate with you today the groundbreaking of our technical education complex. One of my favorite views these days is from the third floor of the Bachelor Library, in which this building is going to be twice the size of that library, 114,000 square foot. From that space, you can see the progress being made on this magnificent building. It will be the crown jewel of the campus and crucial to student instruction and workforce development for generations to come.
You know, if adversity is life's greatest teacher, many of you, the leaders of this project, are wonderful pupils. You didn't give up. Now look around and see our legislators and our government officials, and especially President King and Paul Montgomery, and the list goes on and on and on of people who just did not give up on this project. And so now, in the state of Tennessee, this will be the largest complex ever built for the community colleges.
The Northeast State Foundation joins the college in its excitement around this new home for technology. We are proud of being part of the future economic engine for this entire region.
You know, I look around at the site back here, and if you look at the land, it doesn't look that large. It's going to be the largest part here, and we're here to celebrate a groundbreaking today. We're talking about bricks and mortars, but for the students that I saw back there, I want to tell you, this is about you. And frankly, it's about those students that are going to come after you.
And to have this facility, it is a Northeast State facility, but it belongs to the region because it's so large and it's going to be so fantastic as it gets going. And so I have a little bit of Northeast State pride this morning because of the work that everybody across this group has done and so many more.
This complex, complete with state-of-the-art technology, will offer students an opportunity to learn marketable skills that are vital to local businesses. This building represents the state of Tennessee and our Board of Regents' commitment to supporting the need of businesses.
We visit a lot of places throughout the country looking at how technology is now coming into manufacturing. So on the ground floor of this building, you're going to be looking at labs that house milling machines that then have CNC machines, which means it's a milling machine that has computer integration. There's robotics that are involved in that as well.
Careful consideration was given during the design of the new complex to provide opportunities for collaboration between disciplines, replicating a real work environment found in the corporate world. To my colleagues, I would like to end with this. We are truly a communities college. Regardless of the discipline in which you teach, or if you are a member of the faculty or staff, because of the dedication, commitment, and hard work of those who came before us, as a member of the educational community, we truly have the honor of being able to change lives. We are proud of what Northeast State has become over the past 50 years, and it is up to all of us to leave a legacy for future generations to follow.